Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add smart delays in ManyChat. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to create more natural, well-paced conversations with your audience by adding strategic pauses between messages. First, open your ManyChat website in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Automation. This section is where all your automated workflows live, allowing you to manage how your bot interacts with subscribers. After clicking on Automation, you'll see a list of all your existing automations. Go ahead and click on the specific automation where you want to add the smart delay. This will open up the Automation Builder, which is your workspace for designing and editing message flows. Now on the right side of the screen, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on it to reveal the menu of available elements you can add to your flow. From this menu, select Smart Delay. This is the core feature that lets you control the timing between different steps in your automation, making conversations feel more human and less robotic. Once the Smart Delay element appears in your workflow, click on it to start editing its settings. The first option you'll see is Delay Duration. Click the drop-down menu right under it, and you'll be able to choose between seconds, minutes, hours, and days. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune exactly how long the pause should be. After selecting your preferred time unit, input a number that represents how long you want the delay to last. Below that, you'll see a checkbox labeled Set Continue Time Limit. If you check this box, you gain even more control over when your messages can be sent. This ensures that messages only go out during appropriate hours, which is especially important if you're targeting audiences in specific time zones or want to avoid sending messages late at night. Once you've checked that box, you'll need to input a time range. This defines the window during which ManyChat is allowed to continue the automation after the delay. Click the drop-down menu to choose which days this time limit should apply to, whether it's weekdays, weekends, or specific days of the week. After you've configured all these settings, it's time to connect the smart delay to your automation flow. Simply drag the circle from your last step and connect it to the smart delay element. This establishes the sequence and tells ManyChat when to pause the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully added a smart delay to your ManyChat automation, giving your messages better pacing and timing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.